Illumination mentioned in the highlighted lines most nearly refers to A. The realization Garcia Marquez had concerning the approach he should take in writing 100 Years of Solitude. B. Martin's discovery that Garcia Marquez modeled his first writing after Franz Kafka's. C. The passage author's discovery that Garcia Marquez based his stories on local facts and legends. Or D. The awareness by Garcia Marquez of how miraculous it was that he completed 100 years of solitude. Now, the term illumination is mentioned in two places in the passage. So, let's read both those paragraphs. Many years later, and many times over, the writer Gabriel Garcia Marquez was to remember the day he discovered how to set about writing his great novel. He was driving from Mexico City to Acapulco when the illumination hit him. He turned his car around and went home and locked himself away for 18 months. When he reappeared, he had the manuscript of 100 Years of Solitude in his hand. And when what Garcia Marquez found was a different way of telling it. He would combine, as he frequently said, the narrative tone of his grandmother and that of the author Franz Kafka. She told fantastic stories as if they were true, because for her they were true. Kafka told them the way because he was Kafka. After his moment of illumination, Garcia Marquez came more and more to look for and often to find the truth in the fantastic, to pursue whatever truth was lurking in the non literal reading of literally presented events. Now, in both the passages, they are talking about Garcia's illumination, right? At least that much we can conclude. He was driving when the illumination hit him, he being Garcia, as well as over here, after the moment of his illumination, Garcia Marquez came more and more. Hence, saying his illumination means Garcia Marquez. Hence, option B and option C can automatically be eliminated because over here they think illumination refers to Martin's discovery, and over here they are saying it's the passage author's discovery. So, both of them are wrong. Now, we are left with A and D. Okay. Now, in this first paragraph itself, it says, remember the day he discovered how to set about writing his great novel. Okay, so in this paragraph they're saying he remembered about how he decided to write his novel. The approach he took was decided when he was driving from Mexico City to Acapulco and the illumination hit him. So the illumination is obviously the realization about how to write the novel. And hence we will choose option A, the realization Garcia Marquez had concerning the approach he should take in writing 100 Years of Solitude.